Meaza Ashenafi made a name for herself fighting for women's rights in Ethiopia. Her most famous case involved a 14-year-old girl who was kidnapped by a man trying to force her into child marriage, a traditional practice in some parts of Ethiopia. The girl shot and killed her abductor, but was cleared of charges due to Meaza's work. The incident was dramatized in an award-winning film, Different. Meaza is now Chief Justice of Ethiopia's Supreme Court, the first woman ever appointed, and will remain focused on women's rights and economic empowerment.
For example, in Ethiopia, there is no independent law on violence against women. We just have few provisions in the criminal code. So going forward, I think we need to have a comprehensive law that addresses issues of violence against women and law.
Meaza founded the Ethiopian Women Lawyers Association to help women who've been sexually harassed or victims of intimate partner violence. She says she wants to restore the people's trust in the nation's legal system, which has been criticized for its slow response to crime. The career lawyer wants Ethiopians to see the courts are able to hold everyone to account, including those in power. Meaza seems to have an ally in Ethiopia's young, reform-minded Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed.
Everyone should get equal treatment in the face of the law. It should never be used as a tool for revenge. When we respect the rule of law, it should be in accordance to that.
Meaza hopes her understanding of Ethiopia's culture and people will be an asset in her position as she seeks solutions to seemingly intractable problems.
If under my leadership we manage to cement the independence of the judiciary in Ethiopia, this is not going to change the history of the last 40 years. This is going to change the history of the last 3,000 years of judicial administration in Ethiopia.
Salem Solomon, VOA News, Washington.